What's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day today, and in today's video I wanted to talk about the importance of using daily levels to come up with your watch list and then confirming it with the flow to get the move to the downside. Sometimes I sound like a broken record, but you guys got to start hearing this over and over again so you can start doing things the right way. And in today's video I want to talk about Tesla. And I want to talk about something in particular called the 3-bar play. Okay, and what is the 3-bar play? The 3-bar play is just this: you have a directional move one way that takes place to one direction. Okay, you have your second day's candle that has to take place, at least cannot penetrate the previous day's 50% move. So if you had a move from 100 to 50, this candle cannot go back over the halfway mark of this. We have to stay within the bottom half of this day's candle. And we also have to put in a nice clear support right here without any wicks or anything. It's got to be just a clean line of support. Now on the third day, when that line of support breaks right here, that's when you want to enter puts. Okay, so this is called the 3-bar play. You have your first bar, your second bar, and your third bar penetrates those 2 days support and breaks down lower. Okay, now let's take a look at this on the Tesla. All right, here we go. This is Tesla. We have that first day move here, right? So when I'm doing my scans, this came up on my list yesterday. We have a big aggressive move down. We have a second day move that does not penetrate the prior day's low. You can see right here, we've put in a nice little support between that. The move is within 50%. It does not go higher than that. It's within the 50% bottom portion of that day's activity. And on this day, if we broke that level, we were looking for continuation to the downside. Now, what is that level? Let's take a look. That level happens to be the 876 area. If that 876 level breaks to the downside, we see further sell-off. All right, now let's take a look at the closer time frame. Let's go to the 2-minute chart. Let's zoom out. Perfect. Let me put in the after hours. All right, so we have this aggressive sell-off that takes place once the market opens. All right, there was really nothing that I was paying attention to here in the pre-market, but I knew that if this 876 level broke, I wanted to take advantage of this to the downside. So we had this on the watch list. If that 876 level, 877 level breaks to the downside, we were going to take advantage of this. Now, the one thing that you pay attention to when you're looking at flow is how aggressively this move takes place, but also looking at all these puts that are coming through, right? They're buying all these bearish activity that's coming in the morning, and you can see that they're coming in and they're hammering these bearish activities. If you pay attention to the tape, almost the entire day they're hammering these puts away. But we can't see past what we're looking at within the first 5, 10, 15 minutes before we initiate that trade. And as we're looking at the flow here right up until this trigger point, there's lots of bearish activity. Okay, so right here is when you enter these puts. When that 3-bar play triggers, you have the daily giving you the 3-bar play to the downside. You have the flow that confirms that there's aggressive selling happening in the morning. And this move right here, if you entered at this area, like I talk about in the first 15, 20 minutes of the market open, I take triggers as they come. This move right here sold off all the way down to this 821 level, and it returned a total of 260% within minutes, guys. This is within minutes. From 9:36 to 10:06, it returned over 260%. So find your plays, do your scans the night before, find them on the daily chart, understand what it is that you're looking at and what patterns it is that you're trying to trade. And once you get those patterns, once you get those key levels set up, you can trade them to the downside. Hopefully you guys found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and share and make sure you like this video. That way I can make you guys some more content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.